Ayan, oh, syempre, Cap Christian yan, oh, with a special participation. Ang aming poging kapitan. Alright. Okay. Alright. Oh, wala bang palakpakan para sa pouring wine presentation. And trivia lang ang pangalan ng wine na ito ay Erniels. Okay? At ito po, fact po siya ng 2017. Okay? Just so you know, yung 2017, yun din po yung time na nagkakilala sila. So bagay na bagay sa kanila ito. Wala bang palakpakan? Oh, ready na ulit ang mga glasses natin, everyone. Come on. Oh, Ella, tradition lang, oo. Sabi ni Ernie sa'yo, kiss daw muna. Kiss daw muna. Ayun. Okay. Now, I'd like to invite here in front of our beloved guest, the best man and the maid of honor. Maid of honor, Rodeline Acid, and the best man, Raymart Biboon. Palakpakan po natin. To share, at least a short yet meaningful message for the couple naman. And syempre, Raymart, you will be the one to propose. Raymart? Sabi ni Raymart, ayun ulo. Si Raymart, you be the one to propose a toast for everyone. Ha? Ikaw magpapalakpakan.